Xenodon semicinctus, commonly known as the South American hognose snake, is a fascinating species native to South America. Renowned for its upturned snout and distinctive defensive behaviors, this snake plays a unique role in its ecosystem. This essay explores the physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, reproductive strategies, and conservation status of Xenodon semicinctus. Physical characteristics. The South American hognose snake is a moderately sized snake, typically reaching lengths of 20 to 30 inches. Its most distinctive feature is its upturned snout, which is an adaptation for burrowing in loose soil and leaf litter. This characteristic snout gives the snake its common name and aids in its hunting and defensive strategies. The coloration of Xenodon semicinctus is highly variable, often featuring a background color of brown, gray, or reddish hues, with darker bands or blotches running along its body. These patterns provide effective camouflage in its natural habitat. The snake's scales are keeled, giving it a rough texture. Habitat and distribution. Xenodon semicinctus is found across various parts of South America, including Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, and Uruguay. It inhabits a range of environments, from tropical forests and savannas to grasslands and scrublands. The snake is particularly fond of areas with loose, sandy or loamy soils, which are ideal for its burrowing lifestyle. This species often resides in areas with abundant ground cover, such as leaf litter, fallen logs, and dense vegetation, which provide shelter and hunting grounds. It is also commonly found near water sources, such as streams and rivers, which offer a humid microclimate conducive to its survival. Behavior and adaptations. The South American hognose snake is known for its dramatic and distinctive defensive behaviors. When threatened, it may flatten its neck and body, similar to a cobra, to appear larger and more intimidating. This behavior is often accompanied by loud hissing and mock strikes with a closed mouth. If these tactics fail to deter a predator, Xenodon semicinctus may resort to playing dead. The snake will flip onto its back, open its mouth, and let its tongue hang out, mimicking the appearance of a deceased animal. This thanatosis behavior is often accompanied by the release of a foul-smelling musk to further repel potential threats. Diet and hunting strategies. Xenodon semicinctus is a carnivorous predator, with a diet primarily consisting of amphibians, particularly frogs and toads. It also consumes small reptiles, birds, and mammals. The snake uses its keen sense of smell to locate prey, often burrowing in the soil or leaf litter to uncover hidden animals. The South American hognose snake possesses mildly venomous saliva, which helps to subdue its prey. The snake's rear fangs are adapted to deliver this venom, although it is not harmful to humans. Once the prey is captured, the snake uses its strong jaws to swallow it whole, taking advantage of its flexible jaws to consume larger items. Reproduction. Xenodon semicinctus is oviparous, meaning it lays eggs. Mating typically occurs during the rainy season, and females lay clutches of 5 to 15 eggs in concealed, humid locations, such as under logs or in burrows. The eggs incubate for about 2 to 3 months before hatching. Hatchlings are fully independent from birth, resembling miniature versions of the adults with similar coloration and defensive behaviors. They grow rapidly, reaching sexual maturity in about 1 to 2 years. Juvenile South American hognose snakes face many predators, and their cryptic coloration and defensive tactics provide essential survival advantages during this vulnerable stage. Conservation status. The conservation status of Xenodon semicinctus is currently not considered to be at high risk of extinction. However, habitat destruction due to deforestation, agricultural expansion, and urban development poses potential threats to local populations. Additionally, the species may be subject to collection for the pet trade, which can impact wild populations if not managed sustainably. Conservation efforts should focus on preserving natural habitats and promoting awareness of the ecological role of the South American hognose snake. Educating the public about the importance of snakes in controlling pest populations and maintaining ecosystem balance can help reduce unnecessary fear and killing. Cultural significance. In South America, the South American hognose snake is often appreciated for its unique appearance and dramatic behaviors. While it may not hold as prominent a place in local folklore as some other snake species, it is recognized for its ecological importance and contribution to biodiversity. Conclusion. Xenodon semicinctus, the South American hognose snake, is a remarkable species that exemplifies the diversity and adaptability of snakes in South America. Its distinctive physical features, unique defensive behaviors, and ecological role make it a fascinating subject of study and a vital component of its ecosystem. Understanding and protecting the South American hognose snake is essential for maintaining the biodiversity and ecological balance of its natural habitats. Through continued research, conservation initiatives, and public education, we can work towards ensuring the survival of this captivating species for future generations to appreciate and study.